For woodworking, welding, or automotive.
In some circles, this is considered a piece of automotive.
Anything else?
Yeah, automotive.
Did you come here to give me automotive advice?
In addition to being a very fine automotive mechanic,
Ghana. Ms. Vito's expertise is in general automotive knowledge.
Briefest indulgement in automotive.
In a previous domestic automotive.
If you need anything in the automotive line, just call on Sam B. Phone numbers on the...
Bring their attention to various automotive manufacturers.
Every year, Alexa and I would sign up for woodworking, welding, or automotive. And we ditched the class and tried to get cosmetology.
You're sitting in a crew cab dually pickup. In some circles, this is considered a piece of automotive art.
Are you sure you can drive? You really had a lot of alcohol.
And I'll have somebody from Solar Energy there. And anything else?
Yeah, automotive. Did you have an agricultural school at Berkeley?
Yeah. All right. Then it needs a new alignment.
Did you come here to give me automotive advice?
Even though it's an older model, it still retains its poise.
here has been holding out on us. In addition to being a very fine automotive mechanic, he is also in physics something of a fool.
Ghana. Ms. Vito's expertise is in general automotive knowledge. It is in this area that her testimony will be...
Most lighthearted and momentary digression. The briefest indulgement in automotive pleasure.
For cheap thrills, such short-lived door.
Well, you see, it's designed to bolster individual confidence in a previous domestic automotive purchase.
So we're spending $47 million so that somebody...
Sam Beauregard here, Mr. Wonka.
My dear sir, what a genuine pleasure.
If ever you need anything in the automotive line, just call on Sam B. Phone numbers on the card. With Sam B, it's a guarantee.
Private automotive, legal affairs, something to bring their attention that various automotive manufacturers are considering using electronic intermittent...
Hey, listen, one of your cats just picked up my brother at Al's Automotive. Yeah, well, listen to me. I was supposed to pick him up, but there's been